Spare me your judgments and spare me your dreams, 'cause recently mine have been tearing my seams. I sit alone in this winter clarity which clouds my mind. Alone in the wind and the rain you left me. It's getting dark, darling, too dark to see. And I'm on my knees and your faith in shreds it seems. And I will hold on, I will hold
Lydia, can you hear me? I begged you to hear me, there's more than flesh and bone. Yet bury their dead, they will come out in droves. Take the spade from my hands and fill in the holes you've made.